I only make 10-minute videos at a time, so. It's pretty cool. Yeah, once I'm done this quest.
Hanging out on the game and stuff. I just
After this quest.
I'm all like, it doesn't matter. I feel how long is that gonna be? Is the quest like an hour?
No.
That's what I'm asking because I just don't know what a quest is. I don't know what that means.
No, this is not gonna take long at all.
Okay, sweet.
I'm almost done.
Don't get it to him. That was ugly, but we did it to him. We did it.
Oh, that's not what I was here for. I'm here about the farmers east of here. Alice and her husband are having trouble talking to one another and said you might be able to help. Oh, I know them. Shame about those cows. Why would they think I'd like to help? Alice seems to think you could alter a ghost speak amulet in order to allow them to communicate. Oh, the poor young lady has such failing problems I quite feel her pain. I'd be happy to help. You seem to have one of her golden hairs on your shoulder, so I can use that. In a flash, the crone whisks away an unseen hair from your shoulder. Talk to me again with the ghost speak amulet and some space in your backpack. I'll be ready. Cool. Here, see if you're ready to do your magical stuff with your ghost speak amulet. With my ghost speak amulet. I certainly am. There you go. Wow, that was quite quick and painless. Just be a good neighbor. Or just being a good neighbor. Cool. Decent. Oh, and I get to keep my fucking amulet. Right on. Now I just gotta go back to this girl. The girl with the undead chickens. Oh wait, how come I didn't get any fucking tokens when I worship the thing? That's bullshit. I gotta go back and get tokens. Maybe I have to talk to the disciples to get the tokens. Can I have the tokens I've earned? Certainly. Cool. 10. Decent. Alright. Ain't worshipping that thing for nothing.
So maybe do it. Let 'em know.
That's right, I will. Hear about the quest. Have you handed him an enhanced amulet? I've obtained the amulet, I just haven't gave it to him yet. Alright. Use amulet on that guy. Learn your manners. Chat for a bit before you approach a bloke with the glowing gewgaws. Talk to your wife and thought that if you had a special amulet, you speak to her and sort out the bank situation without me being involved. Alright, that makes far more sense than I was expecting from a musclehead like you. My wife's a clever one. Well, oh, never mind. I'm desperate enough for those chickens, so let that pass. Give me that amulet and then we'll be seeing about your unnatural desire for chickens. Okay. You eat more than I do, I suppose. Tommy, lucky we had such a brilliant idea. Alright. Okay, now do I talk to you? Alright, thanks. Now what were you wanting? A couple of chickens. Chickens! Special undead, so I'll have to catch them for you. How hard can it be? Stand back while I catch you as your city slicker. Chickens. Watch, look, we're gonna watch me catch chickens. Here, chicky, chicky. Oh, he's nice. This guy sucks at catching chickens. Get here, you pesky bird. The chicken tricked him. Where did she go? She's over here, you idiot. Back here. Oh, there the cows fucking coming in. Who's that? Get her from my land. You heard my husband, leave now. I thought she couldn't hear him. What? Always the same. I can never get these animals to myself. You killed Bessie. Buying cowhides and feathers. Ah, that chicken next. Feathers for me. Sneaky undead fowl. Ooh. Look, he's fucking hitting the chicken.
Oh my god, why?
Oh, nice. That guy caught him before. Oh wait, the guy hit him with hit the chicken, and then the guy caught him. I don't understand. How can I help you? I'm selling if you have ecto tokens. Yeah, well, luckily I do. Can I buy those chickens then now? For fuck's sakes. Yeah, I want to. Alright, thank you. Alright, and that is one part of this done, and I am gonna walk back to Ava now and give her her chicken. Alright, I'm back at the mansion now. I'm gonna talk to Ava. Here they are. Amazing success. I can look forward to some good night's sleeps. Can I ask how the undead chickens will help you sleep? I need the feathers to make my bed more comfortable. Help me sleep, obviously. Really? Of course, but why on Jellinor would you need undead chickens when they're perfectly good live ones down the road? Well, for a start, undead ones are far more cleaner than living ones, no dust mites or anything. Secondly, I always think of Ernest when I see a chicken. So many nerves. Can't take killing them. Why do I need a chicken for my reward? We established that I don't use a bed. Seeing how you ranger types use so many feathers in your arrows, I